All right, so example 1 is asking us to state the coordinates of all points labeled by a letter of the alphabet. And we are to complete the scale below by inserting the missing numbers. All right, so well, first of all, looking at the graph, I can see that the scale on the x-axis is 2 centimeters to 1 unit. Because every 2 centimeters, the number goes up by 1. So 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2. So the scale on the x-axis is 2 centimeters to 1 unit. Every 2 centimeter, the number goes up by 1. So since it's 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, which is 10 of the small divisions, is equal to 1 unit. So if I divide both sides by 10, I'm going to get that one of these small divisions is equal to 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1 unit. So what that means is that this is 0, then 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Each of the small divisions on the x-axis is representing 0.1 units. So let us work out what each of the small divisions is representing on the y-axis. Now, on the y-axis, the scale is 1 centimeter to 1 unit. So the y-axis, so this was the x-axis. The scale is 1 centimeters, which is 5 of the smallest division on your graph is representing 1 unit. If I divide both sides by 5, I will find out that one of these small divisions is representing 1 divided by 5, which is 0.2 units. So that means that we have 0, then 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, then 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.82. On the y-axis, each of the smallest divisions on the graph is representing 0.2 units. The scale on the y-axis and on the x-axis are different. With that in mind now, I can then go ahead and determine the coordinates of the points. All right. So let's start off with A. All right. Let us see what is the x coordinates of A. All right. So for A, here is, let's say 1. This is 1. This is the line x is equal to 1. And down here, each of the small divisions on the x-axis is 0.1. So it's 1, 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So that is telling me that A is on the vertical line, x is equal to 1.8. So let me just put that in. This is the vertical line, x is equal to 1.8. So this is the vertical line, x is equal to 1.8. Now let's go for y. I could start from, let us say 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, 3.8, 4, 4.2. So y is on the horizontal line. Sorry, A is on the horizontal line. Y is equal to 4.2. So this is the horizontal line. Y is equal to 4.2. It means, therefore, that A is the point 1.8, the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is 4.2. All right. Being the perfectionist that I am, let me put this over here. This is the line y is equal to 4.2. So A is on the vertical line, x is equal to 1.8, and it's on the horizontal line, y is equal to 4.2. So A is the point 1.8, 4.2. All right, so let's move on to B. B is on the vertical line, 2.1. This is the vertical line, x is equal to 2.1. And B is on this line. And B is on the horizontal line. Y is equal to, this looks like y is equal to 3.8. So it's 3, 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, then 3.8. So it means that B is the point 2.2, 3.8. All right, let's go faster with the other points. C is here. C is on the vertical line, x is equal to, I have x is equal to 0, but that should be x is equal to 1. So C is on the vertical line, x is equal to 1. It's clear. And it's on the horizontal line. This is 1.2468. So it's on the vertical line, x is equal to 1. On the horizontal line, 1.8. So this is 1.8. D. D is on the vertical line, 0.5. This is the vertical line, x is equal to 0.5. It's in the dead middle between 0 and 1, so it's a half. So this is x is equal to 0.5. And we're looking at the point D, it's on the horizontal line. Guys, let's blow this up for you to look at it. Let's see which horizontal line it's on. This is 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6. So the point is between 3.4 and 3.6. Guys, what is between 3.4 and 3.6? Anybody?
3.5.
3.5. So it means that D is the point. D is the point 0.5, 3.5. All right. So I hope nobody made mistakes with that point. A, B, C, D, E. Let's go for E. E is on the vertical line, x is equal to 1.5. Can everybody see that? This is x is equal to 1.5. That's the vertical. And it's on the horizontal line. It's on the horizontal, it's on the x-axis, which is the line y is equal to 0. So it means that E is the point 1.50. F. F is on the vertical line, the y-axis, which is the line x is equal to 0. And it's on the horizontal line. This is 2, 2.4, 2.2, 2.4, 2.6. It's between 2.4 and 2.6. So that would make it 2.5. So F is the point 0, 2.5. All right, G. Let's go for G. Where G then? Aha, here you are. This is the vertical line. You pass 0 going to 1. So you're somewhere between 0 and 1, and it's negative. Remember, horizontally, this is 0, 0, 0.1, 0.2. This vertical line is at 0.3. So that's minus 0.3. Let's get the horizontal now. So the vertical is minus 0.3. And we're looking at G. The horizontal, let's work it out. This is 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6. So again, that's 3.4, it's 3.5. Between 3.4 and 3.6, it's 3.5. So G is the point minus 0.3 and 3.5. H is minus 0.6 and minus 0.6 and stay with me, minus 0.6 and 1.1. Let's see why 1.1. So here is 1. That's 1, the horizontal level, and this is 1.2. Between 1 and 1.2 is 1.1. So the horizontal line through H is the line y is equal to 1.1. And this is something that everybody needs to be able to work out for themselves. Everybody needs to be able to work this out. All right, so the coordinates for H are 0.6, 1.1. I is minus 1, and 1.8. J is minus 1.05 and horizontally minus 1. Let's go for J. I notice that there's L and there's K, but apparently I don't have them on the thing. But let's have a look at J. Why is J at minus 1.5? All right. On the horizontal axis, each of the minor divisions is 0.1. So this is 1, minus 1, and this is minus 1.1. J is in the middle between that. Now, what is in the middle between 1 and 1.1? Well, it's easy to find out. You can add 1 plus 1.1 and divide it by 2. You're going to get 2.1 divided by 2, which is 1.05. In other words, you're going to divide 0.1 by 2. When you divide 0.1 by 2, you're going to get 0.05. So J is at minus 1.05 minus 1. J is at minus 1.05 minus 1. All right, so it's very important, regardless of whatever is the scale, that you be able to work out, or you'll be able to state the coordinates of any point on your graph. Regardless of the scale, you need to be able to state the coordinates of any point on your graph. Now, to complete this activity, we just need to complete the scale. This says the scale is, and we already identify, it's 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the y-axis. And this is example 1.